This is the time in the service where we come together and focus on the prayer requests that have been submitted in the prayer box that sits on the altar right in front of the stage. Whether you've had an opportunity to write your prayer down or if you just have it in your heart, we bring it together now in this moment. If you're comfortable closing your eyes, and let's take a deep breath in. Just release that breath and know that we are creating a sacred moment. We know that there's no degree of prayer, there's none too difficult or too small or insignificant for that power and that presence in the universe that we call God. It doesn't matter if our request is for abundance, for well-being, for relationship. We know that through this power, through this source, alive in each and every one of us, that we can claim the highest and the best in this moment. And knowing this truth, we come together and we say, it is done. And we know by the teachings of our 𝗦𝗨𝗡𝗃, Jesus the Christ, that this is our power, this is our dominion. And we are here to say that we are in support and in love, claiming the good for each and every one, and for our world at large, and for the community of Unity of Tulsa-Midtown. And for this truth and so much more, we simply say thank you, thank you, thank you, and so it is. And while we're in this stillness with our eyes closed, let's begin to focus on our breath. Just noticing as we're breathing in, we notice our breath is just a little bit cool. And as we're breathing out, we notice our breath is just a little bit warm. Breathing in, cooler. And breathing out, warmer. Now we follow that breath as it moves deeper and deeper within, and deeper still, to the very center of our being, the secret place of the Most High. You've been here before. It's where you began. It's where you know the truth of your being, that you are love, you are peace, and you are joy. We allow that truth to move from the center into every cell of our body, enlivening and energizing. Holding that truth, feeling its presence. Together we begin to expand and connect with one another. And from our heart center, together, we allow this presence to move out into the world. We know the truth of the consciousness we create together and the power that we have been given. We express it in this moment. And in gratitude, we say thank you, thank you, thank you. And so it is.